Hello everyone. So I made it to the airport. It's been a very interesting morning. Oh my goodness. I am exhausted. I'll only manage to sleep for half an hour. So when I get on that plane, I'm gonna sleep. It's 4:30 in the morning and my plane leaves at 6. So I have a few hours here. I think like an hour and a half. And I bought myself some coffee so I can just have the coffee while I wait. Hello beautiful people, it's another day. I arrived on Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken. If not, Tuesday was Wednesday. So I arrived then, my suitcase was not there, and they told me that the day after was when I was going to get my suitcase. But sadly, on that day, I waited for them to get in touch with me. No one did. So I waited for like 2 days. But luckily on the Saturday, that was last week Saturday, they called me early in the morning saying that my suitcase is there. So I made my way and I was praying to God that my suitcase was intact, that it was not broken, because I've been hearing a lot of stories that people found their luggage is like ripped or broken. So I was just praying that's not me. I got there and thank you, Jesus. I found my suitcase just the way that I handed it over to them. Everything was inside. Oh my God, I'm just so grateful. So that's the suitcase out of the way. And today I have just one thing planned. So we are going to go out painting with my friends. It's just me and my 3 other friends. We're gonna go there. I will put the name of the art studio right here, so if in case anybody wants to go, I'll try and vlog for you guys there. So yeah, bye bye.